Hello students, welcome to Absolutely Maths. Today we will be continuing with question number 5 of exercise 4C of 4th chapter decimal fractions. Question number 5. Divide each of the given numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. यहाँ कुछ numbers दिए गए हैं, हमें उन्हें 10, 100, 1000 और 10,000 से divide करना है. First bit is 2.1. उसे 10 से divide करना है, हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 21 by 10 into 1 by 10. डिविजन की जगह अगर मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाएंगे तो ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा, which is equal to 21 ones are 21 by 100, that is 0.21. Next, 21 by 10 into 1 by 100, which is equal to 21 by 1000, that is 0.021. Next, 21 by 10 into 1 by 1000, that is 21 by 10,000. which is equal to 0.0021. Next, 21 by 10 into 1 by 10,000, which is equal to 21 ones are 21. लेकिन नीचे कितने जीरोस हैं 1 2 3 4 5 में हमें डेसिमल के बाद 5 डिजिट्स चाहिए. सो 1 2 3 4 5 0.00021 डेसिमल के बाद 5 डिजिट्स हो गए. Next, 8.64 divided 10. 864 by 10 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 864 by 100, that is 8.64. Next, 864 by 100, this is 100, 1000 and ये हो जाएगा 0.864. क्योंकि यहाँ 3 डिजिट्स है, नीचे 3 जीरोस है, तो डेसिमल के बाद हमें 3 डिजिट्स चाहिए. Next, 864 by 100 into 1 by 100, that is 864 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 zeros, that is 0.0864. This is our answer. Now 864 by 100 into 1 by 1000, that is 864 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 zeros चाहिए, 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to 0.1234. 5 digits हो गए, that is 0.00864. Now 864 by 100 into 1 by 10,000, which is equal to 864 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros चाहिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is equal to 0.123456. 6 digits हो गए, that is 0.000864. Now bit 3, 5.01. इसे लिख सकते हैं 501 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 501. This is 501 by 100 into 1 by 10, तो ये हो जाएगा 501 by 1000, which is equal to 0.501. Next bit is 5.01 divided 100. इसे लिखेंगे 501 by 100 into 1 by 100, which is equal to 501 by 1, 1 2 3 4, which is 0.0501. Next is 501 by 100 into 1 by 1000. 501 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to 0.12345, 0.00501. Next bit is 501 by 100 into 1 by 10,000, which is equal to 501 by 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, which is equal to 0.123456, that is 0.000501. Next bit is 0.0906. इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 906 by 1 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros 1 2 3 4 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 906 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5, that is 0.12345, 0.00906. Now 906 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 zeros into 1 by 100, तो हमें डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स चाहिए 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 0.12345, 0.000906. नेक्स्ट इज 906 by 10,000 इंटू 1 by 1000। अब हमें डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स चाहिए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डिजिट्स। सो 0.123456 0.0000906। नेक्स्ट 906 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 इंटू 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4। डेसिमल के बाद हमें 8 डिजिट्स चाहिए। 0.12345 that is 0.0000906. Now bit 5 is 0.125 divided 10. इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 125 by 1000 into 1 by 10। डेसिमल के बाद हमें कितने डिजिट्स चाहिए? 1 2 3 4, so 0.0125। नेक्स्ट 125 by 1000 into 1 by 100। डेसिमल के बाद हमें 5 डिजिट्स चाहिए, सो 0.00125। नेक्स्ट 125 by 1000 into 1 by 1000। डेसिमल के बाद हमें 6 डिजिट्स चाहिए, सो 0.000125। दिस इज आवर आंसर। नेक्स्ट 125 by 1000 into 1 by 10,000 which is equal to, डेसिमल के बाद हमें 3 4 5 6 7 डिजिट्स चाहिए, 0.1234567 0.0000125। नेक्स्ट बिट इज 111.11। इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 123451 है बाई 100 इंटू 1 by 10। डेसिमल के बाद 3 डिजिट्स चाहिए, सो 12.111 that is 11.111। नेक्स्ट इज 11111 by 100 इंटू 1 by 100। अब हमें डेसिमल के बाद 4 डिजिट्स चाहिए, तो हम लिखेंगे 1.1111। नेक्स्ट 11111 by 100 इंटू 1 by 1000। अब हमें डेसिमल के बाद 5 डिजिट्स चाहिए, सो 0.11111। नेक्स्ट 11111 by 100 इंटू 1 by 10,000। अब हमें डेसिमल के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 डिजिट्स चाहिए, विच इज इक्वल टू 0.01235। हो गया 6 डिजिट्स, 0.011111। Now question number 6. Evaluate first bit 9.75 divided 5. इसे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 975 by 100 इंटू 1 by 5। डिविजन है, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाएंगे तो रिवर्स हो जाएगा। नाउ 5 1 जा 5, 9 से 5 जाने पर 4 47, 5 9 जा 45, 5 5 जा 25, 195 into 1 by 100 that is 195 by 100 which is equal to 1.95। नेक्स्ट 44064 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 zeros 1 2 3 4 into 1 by 4। इसे रिड्यूस करेंगे तो 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4 0, 4 1 जा 4, 4 6 जा 24 which is equal to 1.1016। नेक्स्ट 2769 by 100 into 1 by 30। 3 10 जा 30, 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 which is equal to 0.923। क्योंकि नीचे 1000 है इसलिए डेसिमल के बाद 3 प्लेसेस चाहिए। नेक्स्ट 19.25 डिवाइडेड 25। इसे लिख सकते हैं 1925 by 100 इंटू 1 by 25। 5 5 जा 25, 5 3 जा 15, 5 8 जा 40, 5 5 जा 25, 5 7 जा 35, 5 7 जा 35 which is equal to 0.77। Now bit 5 20.64 divided 16। इसे लिख सकते हैं 2064 by 100 into 1 by 16। 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 1 जा 4, 4 6 जा 24, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 2 8 जा 16, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 9 जा 18 that is 1.29। This is our answer। Now 3.204 divided 9। इसे लिख सकते हैं 3204 by 1000 into 1 by 9। 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3 0, 3 6 जा 18, 3 8 जा 24, 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. That is 0.356. Next, 125 by 1000 into 1 by 25. 25 5s are 125. 5 2s are 10, 0, which is equal to 0.005. Next, 0.14616 divided 72, इसे लिख सकते हैं 14616 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros into 1 by 72. अब इसे रिड्यूस करना है. अब इसे किससे रिड्यूस करेंगे? 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 3 are 6, 0, 2 8 are 16. Next, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14, 9 2 are 18, 0, 9 3 are 27, which is equal to, डेसिमल के बाद हमें कितने डिजिट्स चाहिए? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros है. इस डेसिमल के बाद हमें 5 places चाहिए. 0.00203. This is our answer. Now 0.6227 divided 1300. इसे लिख सकते हैं 6227 by 1 1 2 3 4 zeros into 1 by 1300. इसे रिड्यूस करने पर हमें कितना मिलेगा? 13 1 जा 13 0 0 and this will be 14 4 ja 7 ja 9 ja, which is equal to 479 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, which is equal to 0.000479. This is our answer. Next bit is 257894 by 1000 into 1 by this is 1000 by 169. इसे रिवर्स कर देंगे तो इतना ही आएगा. अब इसे 13 से करते हैं. 13 1 जा 13, 13 3 जा 38 and this will be 13 1 जा 9 जा 8 3 जा 13 8 जा 104. Next 13 1 जा 13, 13 5 जा 13 2 जा 13 6 जा 78. This is 1526. Now 1 point this will be, और ये 1000 कट गया तो ये पॉइंट में तो नहीं आएगा. ये 1526. This is our answer. Now 6.3 इसे लिख सकते हैं 63 by 10 divided 0.3 का स्क्वायर. इसे लिख सकते हैं 3 by 10 into 3 by 10 जो कि ब्रैकेट में रहेगा. 63 by 10 divided 3 3s are 9 by 10 10s are 100. Now 63 by 10 into 100 by 9. 1 0 1 0 कट गया. 9 7 जा 63. So our answer is 70. Now question number 7. Evaluate first bit 4.3 into 0.52 into 0.3. से लिख सकते हैं 43 by 10 into 52 by 100 into 3 by 10. तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें मिलेगा 6708 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros, which is equal to 0.6708. Now next bit is 3.2 into 2.5 into 0.7. इसे लिख सकते हैं 32 by 10 into 25 by 10 into 7 by 10. पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 5600 by 1000. 2 0 2 0 कट गए. So our answer is 5.6. Next is 0.8 into 1.5 into 0.6. इसे लिख सकते हैं 8 by 10 into 15 by 10 into 6 by 10. तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें मिलेगा 720 by 1000. 1 0 1 0 कट गया. So our answer is 0.72. Next bit is 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. 3 by 10 into 3 by 10 into 3 by 10. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 by 1000, which is equal to 0.027. This is our answer. Now next bit is 1.2 into 1.2 into 0.4. इसे लिख सकते हैं 12 by 10 into 12 by 10 into 4 by 10. मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें मिलेगा 576 बाई 1000 विच इज इक्वल टू 0.576. नेक्स्ट 0.4 इंटू 0.04 इंटू 0.004, 4 by 10 इंटू 4 by 100 इंटू 4 by 1000. 4 4 जा 16, 4 जा 64 बाई 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 which is equal to 0.1234 and 64. This is our answer. Now 5 by 10 into 6 by 10 into 7 by 10. इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें मिलेगा 210 बाई 1000. 10 कटा, दैट इज 0.21. ये हमारा आंसर है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इवैल्यूएट 0.9 का होल स्क्वायर. इसे क्या करना है, हम लिख सकते हैं 9 by 10 into 9 by 10, that is 9 9 is 81 by 100 which is equal to 0.81. तो हमारा आंसर कितना हो गया, 0.81. नेक्स्ट 0.6 स्क्वायर इंटू 0.5, इसे लिख सकते हैं 6 by 10 इंटू 6 by 10 इंटू 5 by 10. now तीनों को आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 5 2 जा 10, 2 3 जा 6, that is 18 by 100 which is equal to 0.18. this is our answer. now next bit is 0.3 into 0.5 का स्क्वायर, that is 3 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. 5 5 is 25, 3 is 75, that is 75 by 1000 which is equal to 0.075. This is our answer. Now next bit, 0.4 का whole cube, 4 by 10 into 4 by 10 into 4 by 10. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64 by 1000 which is equal to 0.064. This is our answer. Now next bit is 0.2 cube into 5, 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 2 कट गए, 2 2s are 4 by 100 which is equal to 0.04. This is our answer. Now 0.2 cube into 0.05, 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 5 by 100. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now 2 2s are 4 by 1 के बाद 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, that is 0.0004. This will be our answer. Now question number 9, find the cost of 36.75 kg weight at the rate of rupees 12.80 per kg. अगर 1 kg 12.80 रुपीज है तो 36.75 kg कितना होगा. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg weight कितना है, रुपीज 12.80. Therefore, cost of 36.75 kg weight कितना हो जाएगा, रुपीज 12.80 into 36.75 which is equal to 1280 by 100 into 3675 by 100. 0 0 कट गया, ये 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. इतना आ गया. अब 32 into 147 by 10 सॉल्व करने पर हमें मिलेगा रुपीज 470.40. पैसा हमेशा डबल डिजिट में होता है इसलिए 40. सो आवर आंसर इज रुपीज 470.40.